Hey guys, today I am sitting in my backyard. It is a beautiful day in Arizona and I'm going to be doing a little lookbook for you today. We're going to be doing a glasses lookbook. I've got some really cute glasses to show you as well as some cute sunglasses like the pair I'm wearing right now. I also want to share some makeup tips and tricks with you because I've gotten a lot of people asking me the best tips for when you have to wear glasses, how to wear your makeup. So I put together some of my favorites for you. This video is in partnership with GlassesUSA.com. They have a lot of really high quality, very affordable glasses on their website. Their frames start at $48 and that includes a prescription. I don't know about you guys, but every time that I've gone to an actual glasses store, the glasses always are upwards of $150 to $300 with a prescription, which I think is ridiculous. So finding really nice, high quality and affordable glasses online is always so awesome. And if you're worried about buying them online, not knowing how they'll look, they actually have this virtual mirror on their website so you can see what the frames will look like on you. So you can figure out what will work for you without having to leave your computer, which is kind of living the dream. I'll have a discount code below so that you can get a really good deal on your first pair of frames. So make sure to check that out if you're in the market for glasses. And as you can see, they've got good sunglasses as well. So I hope you guys enjoy my glasses lookbook and my makeup tips and tricks. The first tip I want to give is to not be afraid of makeup. I know sometimes that people think glasses means that you can't express your creativity with makeup, and that's definitely not the case. So the first thing we want to talk about is a bright lipstick. It can be really fun to have a bright lipstick, especially if it's coordinating with your glasses like I have here. I have a bright red lip on with these Amelia E. Kari red glasses. I love these. I love the kind of studded side aspect and just the color. They're really cool and they're kind of a statement glasses and I really like them because of that. The next tip I have is winged eyeliner. I especially like to do winged eyeliner when my glasses are more of a cat eye shape. I think that it really helps to bring everything together and it brings focus to your eyes as well as kind of accenting the shape of the glasses. These are the Addison glasses in black. I like these because they're nice everyday glasses and they're kind of wide so you won't see the frame as you wear them. The next tip I have for you is to not ignore your eyebrows. Your eyebrows frame your face, and so when you're wearing glasses, they're gonna frame your glasses. I think this is really, really important, and it not only helps how your overall look is, it also helps to frame your glasses, and I just think eyebrows should never be ignored. These are the Muse M Modern sunglasses in gray clear. These ones are really good practical sunglasses. I like how the frames are half gray and half clear and they've just got a dark black frame. For my first trick, this is to use eyeshadow primer to make sure that your glasses don't leave marks on your face. I'm using an eyeshadow primer right before I put on my foundation, so I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose and then underneath my eyes where my glasses might hit right above my cheeks. And right after that, I'm applying my foundation, and then just for a little extra support, I'm gonna put just a tiny bit more eyeshadow primer right on the bridge of my nose and just tap that in with my fingers. There's gonna be much less of a chance that your glasses are going to leave a mark on your foundation. My next trick for you is to use extra setting powder. This is something a lot of you might already do if you're familiar with baking, which is applying more setting powder kind of underneath the eyes to have it sort of bake into the skin. This is something that I do when I'm wearing my glasses, but more so on the bridge of my nose. I really try and focus it inwards. When I wear glasses, I always have my glasses slipping a little bit towards the end of the day or leaving marks on the bridge of my nose, and this really helps to prevent that. So these glasses are probably my favorite out of all of the ones I got. These are the Muse 8490 in purple. I just love how cute they are. I love the color of them, the little circle accents on the sides, and it's just such a fun color. My last trick is to use a setting spray. This is something that's gonna make sure that everything on your face stays right where it's supposed to, even if you're wearing glasses. So I always make sure to use one, using it a little bit more on the heavier side if I know that I'm wearing my glasses, just to make sure everything sets. And the most important part here is to fan your face and make sure everything is dry before you put your glasses on. Otherwise, you're bound to have them leave a mark. I absolutely love these sunglasses. These are the Ray BO 5900 in gray and red. I really love mirror sunglasses anyways, but these are just super cute and they just scream summer to me. So there you go, there is my glasses lookbook and makeup for glasses tips and tricks. I hope you guys liked this. I will have links to all of the glasses shown in the description, and I will see you soon.